the best Windows 11 optimization guide for gaming. Hey folks, welcome back to System Secrets. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to make Windows 11 awesome for gaming so you can snag the best FPS without any annoying delays. Even if you're not much of a gamer, optimizing your Windows 11 is a good call for top-notch performance. Let's dive right in. But hey, before we kick things off, I suggest you create a restore point. This way, if things don't go as planned or you change your mind, you can easily go back to where you started. Restoring is a breeze. Just hit up your Windows search and type create, select create a restore point from the suggestions. At the bottom, hit create, give it a cool name. I'd go with something like Windows 11 optimization. Click create, wait for a few seconds, and once it's done, hit close. Then just click OK. Easy peasy. To free up space on your computer, right-click on the Windows icon and go to Settings. In the Storage section, you'll see categories taking up space on your hard disk or SSD. Look for Temporary Files at the top, which may show around 173 GB. Select Previous Windows installation if available, along with other options like Downloads and Recycle Bin. This can free up 175 GB. Click Remove Files to complete the process. Repeat for documents, installed apps, and videos. Ensure that Storage Sense is enabled for ongoing space management. In the left-hand menu, select Personalization, then click on Colors. Look for the Transparency Effect option. Enabling this option creates transparency between the desktop and open windows, but for optimal gaming performance with maximum FPS and minimal delay, it's recommended to disable this option. After personalization, go to Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Under Windows Permissions, disable General, Speech, Inking and Typing personalization, Diagnostic, and Feedback. For app permissions, disable any you're not using except for those needed for gaming like the microphone. Towards the bottom, disable radios, tasks, email, and call history if you don't use them. This helps optimize your system for gaming performance. Lastly, click on Windows Update. Keeping your Windows 11 or Windows 10 updated is crucial for optimal computer performance and to avoid potential issues. Regular updates help ensure that your system is free from bugs and runs smoothly. Make it a practice to update your Windows regularly to maintain the health of your computer. After completing the previous steps, right-click on the Windows icon and select Device Manager from the suggestions. In Device Manager, scroll down to find System Devices. Within this category, locate High Precision Event Timer. Right-click on it and choose Disable Device. Disabling the High Precision Event Timer can often enhance FPS and overall performance. If you don't observe improvements or encounter issues, you can re-enable it. Once done, close the Device Manager. Next, click on Windows, search and type powercfg.cpl, then hit Enter. This will display various power plans. Click on Show Additional Plans, and I recommend selecting High Performance. This plan ensures the best performance mode. Once selected, click on Change Plan Settings and then Change Advanced Power Settings. In the new box, click on PCI Express and disable Link State Power Management. Move to Processor Power Management, set both minimum processor state and max processor state to 100% and then close the box. From the left-hand menu, click on Choose what the power button does. Then, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup because it may cause background applications to consume resources and impact performance. Although it might take a few extra seconds to shut down your computer, it can help with overall performance. After making these changes, click on Save Changes. Next, click on the Windows, search again and type sysdm.cpl, then hit the Enter key. This will open the System Properties window. From the top menu, click on Advanced and under Performance section, click on Settings. The option may be set to Let Windows Choose or Adjust for Best Appearance. Choose the third option, Adjust for Best Performance. This disables certain animations and graphics to conserve resources for better performance and FPS. After selecting this option, enable specific animations. Enable Peek, show thumbnails instead of icons, show Windows contents while dragging, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Check these 4 options, then click Apply. From the top menu, click on Advanced again, ensuring that Adjust for Best Performance of is set to Programs and not Background Services. It's also recommended to increase virtual memory. click OK, and then OK again to apply the changes. Now, click on your Windows search and type mouse, then click on mouse settings. In the mouse settings, click on additional mouse options. This will open another box. From the top menu, click on pointer options. Ensure that the pointer speed is set to 6 out of 10 and the enhanced pointer precision option is unchecked. By default, this option is checked, so make sure it's unchecked. Click apply and then OK to save the changes. To optimize your system, right-click on the Windows icon and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on Startup from the left-hand menu. Disable third-party applications that you don't want to start with your computer, such as Discord, Steam, OneDrive, or any other non-essential applications. Right-click on each third-party application and choose Disable. Do not disable essential files like audio, network, Wi-Fi, or antivirus files, as these are necessary for the proper functioning of your computer. Once you've disabled the selected applications, close Task Manager. This can help improve your system's startup time and overall performance. Afterward, right-click on the Windows icon, click on Settings, and in the search bar, type Game. Click on Game Mode Settings. Ensure that the Game Mode option is enabled. Look for Xbox Game Bar and disable this option. Once you've completed these steps, go back to Game Mode and Settings and verify that the settings are configured according to your preferences. This can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing system resources. Below the Game Mode settings, you'll find the Graphics option. Click on it. If you see an option for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, enable it. If there's a Change Default Graphics Settings option, click on it. Look for Optimization for windowed games and enable this option. Next, under Search This List, it's recommended to add your game and set it to high performance. To do this, click on Browse, locate your game, for example Valorant, right-click on the game icon, select Open File Location, and then copy the path from the top. Go back to the graphic settings, paste the path, hit Enter, select the icon, and click on Add. After adding, click on the game icon, go to Options, and set it to high performance. This ensures optimal graphic settings for your specific game. Alright, we're officially done optimizing our Windows 11 for gaming, and it's not just about gaming. Your overall computer performance should see a boost too. One last tip. When you're in gaming mode, keep it exclusive. Close down any extra apps by right-clicking the Windows icon, hitting Task Manager, and shutting down anything you're not using. This ensures you get the best performance, smooth FPS, and no annoying lags or freezes. So, if you follow these steps, I'm pretty confident you'll notice a significant improvement and your Windows 11 gaming experience will be top-notch. If it works for you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and drop any questions or doubts in the comments. Until next time, happy gaming!